Many of us spend a lot of time on our phones. In fact, the latest statistics estimate that 46% of US web traffic is from phones. So it's probably in your best interest to make sure your documents are as easy to read on mobile devices as possible. I want to point out a couple of things that are already working in your favor. Because you started with the Easy Export Wizard at the beginning of this course, your output is already somewhat mobile friendly without you having to do any extra work. This is because the wizard set this desktop scaling option to best fit. This causes the output to scale automatically to fit the size of the browser window. If for some reason you don't want this to happen, you would change this setting to none. Not only does the output scale to fit the width, but it also does one other neat thing. When you make the browser window narrow, the layout changes from facing pages to single. This is really useful for viewing the output on phones. But speaking of phones, what will this look like on a phone? Well, some browsers have developer tools built in that can help you simulate mobile devices right in your desktop browser. If you have the Chrome browser installed on your desktop, for example, view the output for this lesson in that browser. Then click the More menu, select More Tools, and then select Developer Tools. Click this Toggle Device Toolbar icon right here. Then choose a device from this list or type the pixel dimensions that you wish to view. You can click this little icon to rotate the device. In my case, when I rotate the phone, I see the spreads, but when in portrait mode, I see a single page. Even the viewer display frame is reconfigured for mobile, as you can see here. And note that you can zoom in if necessary to read small type. As you've seen, the flipbook format adapts as well as possible to accommodate small screens, and without any additional work on your part.